Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the manual transmission oil on Opel Astra J 1.7 CDTI. Before I show you how to replace it, first I'll show you the service manual for the manual transmission. The oil grade is 75.85 GL4 and the capacity is 1.8 liters. That's the oil drain plug on the side of the transmission. Tightening torque is 20 Newton meters, and that's the top, the filler plug on the top of the transmission. Its tightening torque is 30 Newton meters. First I'll show you the location of the filler plug. The filler plug is located on top of the engine, just underneath the battery, underneath the ECU. It's located right there where I'm lighting with the flashlight, right there. In order to get access to the oil filler plug, we're going to need to remove the engine ECU. We don't need to remove the ECU completely, we don't need to disconnect any of the wiring harness, we just need to put it to the side. This way we'll get access to the oil filler plug. And that's the oil filler plug right there. Before draining the oil, first we need to make sure that the oil filler plug can be removed, because if you can't remove the oil filler plug, don't drain the oil, because there is no way to fill the oil any other way. To remove the oil filler plug, you use Allen key size 8, which I already showed, and long extension. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. The plug is in very tight, but it loosened eventually. Now I can remove it, and that means I can drain the oil. Here you can see the hole, the oil filler plug is removed. Next I'm going to remove the engine under tray in order to get access to the oil drain plug on the gearbox. We need to remove this plastic cover as well, because it's just covering the drain plug. And now we have access to the gearbox, and that's the oil drain plug right there. It's again Allen key size 6 that I'm going to use. This is the Allen key that I'm using. Make sure you put something underneath to catch the oil, and now we can loosen and remove the drain plug. That's the drain plug removed, and that's all the oil draining from the transmission. After all the oil is drained, we can put back the drain plug and tighten it to specs. Next, we're going to fill the gearbox with oil. We saw in the service manual that it's 1.8 liters of oil, and that's the pump that I'm going to be using to fill the oil up. That side I'm going to put into the hole, into the filling hole, and the pump I'm going to put into the 1 liter bottle that I'm using for the oil. Here you can see that side of the hose is into the oil filler hole, and now I will show you where the pump is going to go into the bottle. This is the oil that I'm going to be using to put into the gearbox. It's a genuine Opel oil for the transmission. And now I'm going to pump the oil in. On this gearbox you can't check the level of the oil, so I'm going to put in exactly as what it said in the service manual, 1.8 liters. That's the first bottle finished. Now I'm going to put on the second bottle and put about 800 milliliters from it, and then we can remove the pump and put on the oil filler plug. That's it, I'm done with filling the oil. I'll show you now on the bottle. There's about 200 milliliters left into the bottle, so that means we've put in about 1.8 liters. This is the filler plug that we're going to put back onto the gearbox. We're going to tighten it to specs, then we're going to put the ECU back in its place. And then we're done with replacing the transmission oil Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.